The game commenced with the Sicilian defense, a favored opening strategy in chess that sets the stage for intricate and multifaceted middle game positions. This opening doesn't just begin the game, it ignites a spark for aggressive and tactical maneuvers. As the battle unfolded, both players unveiled their high-level tactics, yet it was Tal's creative flair that truly captured attention. His uncanny ability to navigate critical junctures kept the audience on the edge of their seats, wondering what would unfold next. In a move that left spectators breathless, Tal executed a stunning sacrifice by capturing a knight, choosing boldness over the safety of his queen. This unorthodox maneuver didn't merely surprise, it opened the door to unexpected opportunities that shifted the game's momentum. With a pawn sacrifice on e6, Tal applied relentless pressure on his opponent, compelling them to adopt a defensive stance. It underscored the weight of aggressive play, making it clear that in chess, taking the initiative often leads to thrilling and unpredictable outcomes. Tal's unwavering ability to keep the initiative in hand showcased his exceptional tactical prowess as he willingly sacrificed multiple pieces without a flicker of doubt. This was not just instinct, it reflected a profound grasp of the game's shifting dynamics. The art of discovered attacks became vividly apparent when Tal played f5, unveiling threats that loomed ominously over his opponent's queen. This strategic tactic powerfully emphasized the significance of positioning, where each piece's alignment holds the potential for decisive moves. A pivotal moment emerged from the shadows as a magical move shifted the game's dynamics dramatically. Players are urged to delve deep, searching for this move, as it promises to sharpen their tactical skills and elevate their gameplay. As the intricacies of pawn structure come to light, one realizes its profound impact on the course of the game. The strength of pawns can not only dictate the flow but can also carve pathways to victory, embodying the very essence of strategic depth. This video invites you, the viewer, to engage actively by solving the chess puzzle presented. Share your solutions and thoughts, fostering a sense of community among chess enthusiasts eager to deepen their understanding of this timeless game.